everyone, it's Sorkin. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve LeetCode 129, sum root to leaf numbers. So let's first look at the problem statement. The problem statement is that we are given the root of a binary tree, so we need to containing digits from 0 to 9. So each root to leaf path is the tree represents a number. For what's that mean? So for example, in this case, it represents one number, so from root to leaf, and in this case, it represents another number. So 12 plus 13 gives us 25. So that's the problem. That's the problem statement. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, all right, let's take this example that let's say we have 1 here, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4, 5, and we have, let's say, 6 and 7. So the solution is here. So it's our binary tree. So the since it's a binary tree, so we can apply DFS here. And what we are gonna do, we are gonna DFS search this tree, and then once we hit this point where there is no more childs, then it means that it's a leaf. So then we are gonna take the 124 and the plus, so we are gonna explore another branch, so plus 125 plus 136 plus 137, and once we DFS all the possible options, then we are gonna just return that as a sum as a result. Okay, pretty straightforward. All right, that's it. Let's go to the solution part. All right, let's start. So the first thing that we are gonna do, let's create a method. Let's call it just DFS, and like DFS search, and it's gonna return int. So we are taking a tree node, and let's just call it node, and we are also passing the current sum. So let's just call it int current. So what we are going to do here, first thing that we are going to do, we are going to check that if node is null, then if node is equals to null, then in that case, so we are going to return 0. So that is the first corner case that we need to check. After that, what we need to do, so we are passing a current, and once we go DFS search our tree, we need to set the values. For example, if our node is, as in our example, 1 to 3, so which means that the 123. So what we need to do here, we need to our current, we need to let's say that we are on the second step, so it was 1, now it should be 12. So what we need to do for that, we need to multiply 1 to 10 and the plus whatever the value is. So for that, we are gonna multiply by 10, and we are gonna add whatever the node value is, right? So, and the same for third. Let's say that it's 12. Now we are adding third element. It should be 123. So we are multiplying 12 to 10 and adding 3. It becomes 123. So, and let's set our, since we are using for the backtracking or DFS, we need to set the base case. The base case is that if node left equals to null, so which means that it's a leaf node, so and there is no left and right nodes, so and the node right is equals to null, then in that case what we do, this is our base case, so we are returning our current, right? So we are returning our current. So that's our base case. Now let's just DFS. For the DFS, we are gonna pass our node left and our current, and we are gonna do the same for, we can copy paste here. We are gonna do the same for the right, and we need to collect those values. So for that, this one, let's call it left, and this one, let's call it int, let's call it right value, and left value. So once we traversed our tree, we need to return the final result. For that, we are gonna just return the left value plus right value, and that's it. So in our main method, we are gonna just return the DFS, whatever the result DFS will give us. Root we are gonna pass, and we are gonna pass 0. That's it. Let's check it. All right, great. It works with no issues. So let's go over it one more time. What we do, we are creating DFS search traversing our tree. So we are, first thing that we do, we are just checking that if the node is null, then in that case we are just returning 0, there is no sum. Then we are accumulating our value, meaning like if we are traversing a tree, let's say that the value is 1 and 23, we need to multiply that to 10. Once we go one layer below, we multiply our current to 10 and add the whatever node value is. For example, first time it's 1, then it becomes 1 multiplied by 10 plus 2, then 12 multiplied by 10 plus 3, and then we have to set the base case. The base case is that if it should be a leaf node. For that, we are checking that the left and right are null, and then in that case we are returning the current, and we are iteratively doing that for the left and the right branch, and we are summing up the values that we got from the left and right branch. For example, in our case 1 to 3 that we have seen earlier in the example, that would be 1 2 from the left and 1 3 from the right, and the result give us 25. All right, that's it for today. I hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.